his garments to one side, and then he washed their feet. It was the servant's role to wash the dust from off the street. How he longed to share this night with them, before suffering, before crucified. So our Savior washed their feet the night before he died. Isn't this the one, the great I am, the central figure in God's plan, who with clay